SmartCursor feature prevents your cursor from getting trapped at the boundary between displays. Now in this pair of displays here, this display here is logically somewhat shorter than this diagnostic display here. It has fewer pixels. And as you can see, the height of it on the Windows desktop is shorter. So when I move my cursor over here, it gets stuck against the edge here until I get it down a certain distance, and then it crosses over. But what I really would like to do is turn on the SmartCursor feature. So if I right-click on the desktop, I can bring up the Barco system settings, and then here I can enable the SmartCursor. So once that's activated, now when I move my cursor over here, at the top, it crosses right over onto this display here. So that's how the SmartCursor feature prevents your cursor from getting stuck at the boundary between the displays. If you would like more tips on how to improve your way of working, please check out our other workflow videos.